Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about the latest Edge Comp box for you VP44 guys. First things first, let's talk about application. This is going to be for the second generation Ram trucks with the VP44 5.9 Cummins in there. That's going to be the 1998.5 through 2002. Again, 98.5 to 02, that's going to cover the VP44 trucks, and that's what's going to be applicable for this Edge comp box. So let's talk about what's brand new with this comp box. If you're familiar with it, Edge has had a comp box for the VP44 guys for like 20 years, and it's been great. We sold a lot of them, a lot of people liked it, and they still use them to this day. However, it was ready for our makeover, and Edge did that. It now makes more power. It also has a nice little switcher to go on the dashboard, and you can fine-tune it with an app on your phone. It stepped into the 21st century and is ready to make your VP44 truck better than it was before. So let's get this box open. Let's talk about installation. Now that we've got the box open, let's go over installation real quick. It's very straightforward. There's a couple of sensors underneath the hood you're going to tee into, and you're also going to plug into this fancy box here. The nice thing about this box is it Bluetooth connects to an app on your phone to fine-tune the 5 different tuning programs you have on this truck. You're also going to see this small little switcher there, so that if you don't have your phone open, you can still change between the tunes. This harness does require you to tap the wire on your VP44 pump. We do have a product listed on our website to help you with that, so check out the related products below and get you one of those if you need it. Another thing to consider as well is the horsepower ratings on this truck were tested with a stock lift pump. Now the stock lift pump does a pretty good job. However, if you're all wanting to run this truck really hard, an upgraded lift pump is recommended, which we also have down in the related products section below. Now let's talk about performance. This is where the new comp box really shines. First things first, what you're all thinking is, what does it do on Tune 5? Well, on Tune 5 it's going to be 373 horsepower and 904 foot-pounds of torque. Keep in mind that the truck they tested on, to the tire, was making 234 and 481. So you're seeing a nice jump in horsepower there, but the biggest thing is where the power comes in and how long it lasts for. This thing fuels all the way through the RPM range and doesn't let up. You're actually going to see more RPM out of the truck, and you're really going to have a very nice, perky driving experience. You are also going to be able to fine-tune each of these 5 power levels inside the app. You can essentially adjust fuel delivery by 3 different parameters. You can adjust by boost, by accelerator pedal position, and timing, which is awesome because the old one, you couldn't do that. In this one, you can, and it'll save it on there. That way, if you want to use a switcher to go between any of your 5 tunes, whatever you selected on the app will save on the device itself, and you can use your own custom-made tunes for that truck. So if you're looking to get your VP44 truck into the future with the new and improved Edge comp box, definitely give this thing a shot or give us a call. We can explain whatever you need to know about it. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, and they're ready to answer any questions you have and give you the best tech support in the industry. If you don't have time for a phone call, shoot us an email, reach out on social media, use the chat feature on the website, whatever works best for you. We're here to answer all the questions you may have. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.